Welcome back to another video where today we'll be restoring an old beaten up Spokeshave into this one that looks like I bought it today. This is a Spokeshave and it looks like it's seen some better days. However, we won't judge this book by its cover. Let's see how it works. Not very well it seems, but rather than chucking this in the bin, let's fix it up a bit. We better start with some disassembling. The first thing we can do is to remove this cap screw. Removing this allows us to slide the cap out and then remove the blade. Next is these two adjustable thumb screws along with the threaded rod that they sit on. Then we can finally remove the blade screw. Here are all the pieces laid out and we can start the cleaning process. With an 80 grit flap disc locked into the Dremel, the body of the Spokeshave can be put into the vise. Then I just went around and cleaned off every part of the Spokeshave. All the parts now have the old paint and rust gone, so we can hit it with some acetone to really clean that crap out of these pieces. Alright, paint. So first up we're going to be using a metal primer, and all surface metal primer is really what you're going to be after if you do a lot of painting of metal projects. Now the paint we're going to be looking at needs to be a metal paint obviously, and most of the time you probably won't even need a primer, but it's always good to apply one to save down on coats because this stuff dries in an hour, this stuff dries in 8 hours. So here we got a brush on gloss black. I like my brush on for my tools because they're going to be handled a lot and I can put a really thick coating on there. Right, with that out of the way we can get to painting. I actually once tried to paint a cat once, didn't turn out very well. Turns out they're pretty hard to catch. Who would have knew? With all the pieces fully painted, I took the blade over to my dad where he sharpened it for me. Now it's time for reassembly. And just like that, this spokeshave has been fully restored and it's looking amazing. But the real question is, how well does it work? So that is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, make sure you subscribe and follow me on Instagram because that is where I post the most amount of content. Hope you enjoyed this video and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.